Hello friends, this is my new cooking toy. We bought it from Amazon. Its price is 310 rupees. Let's open it. Wow, it's very beautiful. I'll show you one by one. Oh, I can't open it. I will take help from my mommy. Now first I'll show the fridge. Wow friends, I can open it. So now I'll show the chairs and tables. This is the table and there are 4 chairs. Now I'll show the filter. Now I'll show the toaster. This is a toaster. Now I'll show the water kettle. Now I'll put it. Now I'll show this. Now I'll show the cylinder. It's Indian oil. Now I'll show the homemaker microwave. Wow friends, this also opens. Now I will show this gas stove and the pan. It's Prestige non-stick, this pan, and this gas stove is LPG gas stove. Now I'll put it. Now I'll show you this super mixer and grinder. Now I will show you. Now I'll put it. There are 2 mineral water bottles and 1 sherbet. Wow. Now I'll put it. Now I will show you the roller. Its name is Cooking Mama. This is the roller. This can also open. See. Now let's put it. This is the roller plate. This name is Cooking Mama. Now I'll put it. Now I'll show you this pressure cooker. Now let me show you how it opens and closes. First, now I'll put it. There are 3 glasses for cold drinks and soft drinks in one tray. Now let me show you. This is the tray and these are Pepsi glasses which are used for soft drinks. Now I will put it nearby the bottles. This is the non-stick kadai for cooking. Now I'll show it to you. Now I will put it. These are the cooking pots. These are also for storing food. I'm trying to open it. It opened. Now the other one can open, so I'll not show you. Now I'll cover it. Now I'm putting. These are the plates. There are 3 plates. So now let's put it. These are also a cooking pot. Now I will put them. These are the spoons. There are 4 spoons. These are for eating and these are for cooking. Now I will put them together. kitchen is ready for cooking. Let's play together. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.